Hey everybody, if you are looking for some new flip-flops, aka sandals, this video might be for you. So this company reached out to me and said, Ryan, can you do a little overview of our, I call them flip-flops? Who am I to say no, but in no way whatsoever these being provided to me affect this review because I'm just here to keep it real. These might just be my new all-time favorite flip-flop, and here are the reasons why. So first off, as you can see, there is some nice cushion on these things, and as you can see in the video, these things are extremely comfortable when walking. This is on a epoxy floor, hard floor, and the cushion is just on point. I mean, your feet kind of sink into these, but at the same time, there's a good bit of flex, but you do have some support, and I just was pleasantly surprised. Let me put it that way. You can see here, there's an arch, and you get about a 1 inch thick here in the heel. So even if you were jogging in these things, if you were to jog in flip-flops, you have enough cushion here in the front end, and then you have a separate sole. So unlike a lot of flip-flops where this is just all one piece, this has a separate, I'd say much harder grip sole. And then you have I would give this a nice quality strap that goes around. Looks like it's a combination of leather, rubber, and it's almost like a wetsuit type material here. It's really soft. You have here between your toes, you have this material here. It's, I would say, you know, what you would expect from a flip-flop as far as this is concerned. This looks to be, I mean, it's in there. It doesn't have, like on some, it protrudes and it's here, and what typically happens with those, this part gets worn down where it's almost like a button. This doesn't have that because when this has that, I'll call it a button, it gets worn down and then these things fall apart. So it doesn't have that, it does have a nice little accent piece here from a decorative standpoint. But just generally, all intents and purposes, is very comfortable. You just have like a little bit of design action here. You might be able to pick that up here with this is a brown, yeah, this is just a brown color, but almost like a splattered paint effect. That's actually how they're printed up there. So very good quality. Actually, I really like these things, So if you're looking for a new set of flip-flops, something with some good tread, good cushion, general quality is on point, and the sizing is right on point with the size you would normally wear in a tennis shoe, which is what these are. Hopefully that answers any questions you might have, and we'll talk to you soon. Do not damage anything. There's some kind of crazy controllers that are in here that understands that, oh, the battery and the vehicle is all now working. No extra juice is needed. You also, from a backup power, you have two USB ports. So if you need something to make a phone call or whatever you need to plug something in, this also serves as a backup battery power bank. And then you also have the LED display that lets you know how much juice you have left. And then you just use this import right here. So if your battery here is low and you need to fill it back up, you could charge this and get you going, and saving this for just in case. So whether you have a vehicle on a rack in storage, or you have a riding lawnmower that uses a 12-volt battery, or you just want to have this as a backup just in case, hopefully this answers any questions you might have about this particular item, but more importantly, that these things even exist. Hope this helps, and we'll talk to you soon.